Answer calls. When you receive an incoming call, you'll see a few indicators. The beacon LED flashes, the line flashes green. The status line shows the incoming number, and the associated call appearance displays the incoming call icon with caller ID information. If you do not wish to answer the call, use the 2VM soft key to send the call directly to voicemail. Or, to simply ignore the call, use the ignore soft key. Note, all you are doing is turning off the ringer for this one call. The caller will still hear ringing and follow normal coverage path, typically voicemail. To answer the call, if you are not already on a call, either lift the handset or press headset to answer using a connected headset. Or, to answer using the speakerphone, press the speaker button, the answer soft key, or the flashing line button next to the incoming call. If you are already on a call and a second call comes in, a second session label appears. Press the flashing line button to answer the incoming call. Answering the second call automatically puts the first call on hold. To toggle between calls, simply press the blinking session button. The current call is placed on hold, and the other resumes. Press the blinking session button again to return to the other call. To end a call, press the drop soft key. To end a call on hold, you must resume the call first. Then you can simply hang up the handset or press the speaker button if it was being used.